Okay, tell us where you now.
So we're at Bluff Creek right now in Humboldt County, and we drove up here. Took us 18 hours to get here from Los Angeles, and we've been hanging out in the forest for a few hours now, hoping to catch a glimpse of Bigfoot, but haven't been able to see anything. So we're heading back into town.
Oh my God, what's that?
What? Whoa!
Whoa!
What is that?
Whoa! Yes.
You see it?
Yes.
Where'd it go?
I don't know. It's gone.
Did you get it on film?
Yeah, I got it.
We saw a real life Bigfoot.
Yeah, it's gone. But I got it.
Great. Let's see the footage.